Service innovation can drive productivity, right, through the innovation practices. How through the innovation practices the productive or service innovation can develop. So service innovation क्या होता है? What do you mean by service innovation? Mike, आना सर.
सर्विस है ना को
Change in the services and create a new services and create the service more efficient and effectively, right? So the service innovation is not just about new ideas. It is not just about the new ideas, right? It is about the making services more efficient, making the services more effective, right? Making the services more customer focused. If the services is more customer focused, if the services is more efficient, if the services is more effective, that is a service innovation. That is called a service innovation. So service innovation is basically to the introduction of new or significantly improved service that create added value for both customer and the organization, right? It create what? Value for both the customer as well as organization, so that customer get what they want and organization get achieve their goal. ठीक है? So this includes the change in service delivery, service design, technology, customer interaction. So whenever there is a changes in this kind of services, it is a service innovation, right? So this service innovation include the innovation boost productivity. Now innovation boosts productivity. That means when organization introduce new ideas, when organization introduce new products, when organization introduce new processes, they typically create more efficient way to produce or deliver services, right? So this lead to an increase in the productivity. Why? Because it create the innovation to boost the productivity, right? So for example, in retail shop, the introduction of self checkout kiosk, right? So whenever we go to any retail shop, nowadays the retail shop is called pick and go. We just pick whatever we need the product, and we just scan it out and bill pay through the digitalize. So it reduced the kiosk, right? So in the retail shop, the introduction of self checkout, अपने से सामान लेना, अपना बिल पे करके चले जाना, right? Earlier we used to sit in a queue by taking the cash in a hand, right? So such thing is the innovation boost productivity, right? So checkout process reducing labor cost, उससे क्या होगा? labor cost जो है वो कंपनी के लिए कम होगा. Increasing customer satisfaction, customer are satisfied because they know where we, जहाँ पे हमें पता है कि कहाँ पे हमें कौन सा प्रोडक्ट हमें चाहिए, ठीक है? उससे क्या करते हैं, वो उठाते हैं, बिल पे करते हैं और लेके चले जाते हैं. That saves the time of the consumer, right? So for example of service innovation that boosts productivity, like Starbucks सुना है सबने? कौन गए? कॉफी प्रोवाइड करते हैं ना Starbucks, right? So customer experience and process innovation. Now customer experience of Starbucks, they create the innovative product. They create with the product like coffee, they also create the cozy environment, right? That is a service they provide. So innovation focus, they provide the personalization and digital tools, right? Then how it boosted the productivity? So Starbucks mobile apps allow customer to order ahead and pay through their smartphone also. We can order the product through our smartphone by using the mobile app. So it reduces the wait time, right? So it reduces the wait time and creating a smoother customer experience. It saves the time, right? So the innovation impact here is the app increase the volume of order. Through that app, the demand are increased. The demand of Starbucks coffees or whatever they want, they are increased by creating that such kind of app. That is the innovative impact, right? So so this is the leading of the higher scales with the fewer staff during peak hours. उसके लिए क्या चाहिए? ऐप पे हम ऑर्डर करो, ऐप पे ही पे करो, हमें कोई एम्प्लॉय की जरूरत नहीं है. द रिड्यूस द कॉस्ट लेबर ऑफ द कॉस्ट, राइट? then consumer get satisfied that they can order from their app mobile and no need to stay in a queue, right? So that is the innovation boost productivity. So again, next, the interested productivity enable future innovation, like again in the innovation boost productivity, the one more example is Netflix. Earlier we used to use the CD कैसेट, याद है आप लोगों को? वो हम रेंट पे लाते थे और उसको चलाते थे, पता नहीं 50 रुपीज का एक दिन के लिए देते थे. नाउ देयर इज अ नेटफ्लिक्स. दैट इज द इनोवेशन बूस्ट प्रोडक्टिविटी. प्रोवाइड क्या कर रहे हैं? सर्विस. We saw movie, we saw serials, we satisfied, we enjoyed. That is a service is Netflix provide, right? That is a service innovation. समझ आ गया? ठीक है? Then increased productivity enable future innovation. That means a more productive organization has more resources. A more production organization has more resources. That means here the resources means time. Time is the resources. Money is the resources. Human capital is the resources. Right. So to invest in innovation leading to continued improvement and growth. If we more invest in the time, if we more invest in the money, if we more invest in the human capital, then it leads to the continued improvement and growth of the company. So it increases the productivity, enables future innovation. If we invest in our employee, if we provide the good training to our employee, it will benefit for the company in the future. If the employee get the high skilled, it enables then company to future innovation. Future में क्या करेंगे? Innovative ideas देंगे, innovative services provide करेंगे. That helps the company, right? So the example is when a manufacturing company improve productivity efficiency. Suppose if the company want to improve the product efficiency, right? So in that case, what with the automation, they use the freeing up resources to invest in the R&D for the new product. They invest in the R&D, research and development. For producing any product, research and development is very important, right? So they invest on that. For that, increased productivity enables future generation. जितना हम इंक्रीज करेंगे सर्विसेज को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए या हमारे मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सेक्टर तो प्रोडक्टिविटी को इंक्रीज करने के लिए, दैट इनेबल फर्दर इनोवेशन. ठीक है? देन लेवल ऑफ सर्विस इनोवेशन. सो देयर इज अ, सुना होगा, एवरीवन हर्ड अबाउट द इंक्रीमेंटल इनोवेशन, रेडिकल इनोवेशन. सुना है? सुना है? इंक्रीमेंटल इनोवेशन सुना नहीं? अच्छे जानो. What do you mean by incremental innovation? When there is innovation in service, slowly and steadily we generate some innovative services, that is incremental innovation. Dhire dhire, slowly and steadily, right? So the service this type of incremental innovation is a type which involves small gradually improvement to existing services, gradually improvement of existing processes, Gradually improvement of the product or services. That is that these changes are usually low risk, जिसमें क्या होता है, risk low होता है, can be easily implemented. Slowly change करना. For example, the best example we saw in the morning in the field visit in Alchi Kitchen. They slowly improve. They slowly improve their product. That is incremental innovation, where risk is very low. Right? What she उन्होंने क्या बोला था कि जो टापू the product which they provide in the local dish provide, टापू जो है वो foreigners tourist के लिए मतलब थोड़ा जो वो था, क्या बोलते हैं, हाँ, तभी दे क्रिएट द इंक्रीमेंटल इनोवेशन. धीरे धीरे उन्होंने क्या किया, बाय गिविंग दैट फीडबैक दे इंक्रीमेंटली इनोवेट दैट प्रोडक्ट. राइट, नाउ दे प्रोवाइड इन रोलिंग फोम. मिनो नशा मानता सा टापू बनाते हो चिन तेन प्रोडक्ट. राइट, नाउ आजकल क्या करते हैं वो, मतलब एक वो मतलब डो की तरह नहीं बनाते हैं, वो प्लेन डोसा की तरह बना के उसमें वो स्टफिंग करके क्या अखरोट का वो स्टफिंग चटनी डाल के रोल करके उसको कट करके फिर देते हैं. द कंज्यूमर एंजॉयड इट. सो दिस इज इंक्रीमेंटल इनोवेशन. धीरे धीरे फीडबैक्स लेके धीरे धीरे उसने क्या किया, उसको इम्प्रूव किया. राइट. So in the incremental innovation, adding new features to the existing services, adding new information in existing mobile apps. For example, we have the mobile apps earlier where we can only shop the products. Right, now there is a few features. If we search in any app, if we search for for anything like suit, right, so there is a category option. Under that we have to categorize the brand. देखते हो ना, मिंत्रा देखो, अमेजन देखो, वहां पे कुछ भी शॉपिंग करो उसमें से कैटेगरी होगा जिसमें जाके सिर्फ हमने 2-3 ब्रांड के नाम को सिलेक्ट करना है. पहले वो नहीं होता था. पहले मतलब पिक्चर क्लिक करके सेम प्रोडक्ट दिखाओ, वो नहीं होता था. Nowadays the Amazon app or Flipkart app, whatever that, they added that feature. That is the incremental innovation. To add new features in an existing app. Right, for example iPhone, they add new features. 15 में कुछ features थे, 16 में उसमें और ऐड कर दिया, 17 में और ऐड कर दिया. That is the incremental innovation. समझ आ गया? ठीक है. Then improving customer service response time through the better staff training and new tools. Now under the incremental service they improve the customer service response. कस्टमर सर्विस के रिस्पॉन्स के बेसिस पे व्हाट दे डू, दे प्रोवाइड द बेटर स्टाफ ट्रेनिंग. सो बेटर स्टाफ ट्रेनिंग इज ऑल्सो बेनिफिट फॉर द कंपनी. राइट. Upgrading and design of the restaurant menu, like we saw in the Alchi Kitchen in the morning. Right, earlier they used to कैसा उनका मेन्यू था, प्लेन मेन्यू, पाबा, थुप्पा, स्क्यू, खोला. Now the tourist को इतना समझ नहीं आता था, because Alchi Kitchen provide the local dish. Right. So पापा, what do you mean by पापा, क्या होता है, इसमें क्या होता है? So it's take a time to understand the consumer. So what the Alchi Kitchen do? They yes they create a new menu. Under this they added the description of that product. पावा मीन्स उसमें क्या होता है, वाटर में सत्तू डाल के, सॉल्ट डाल के, मिक्स करके उसको शेप निकाल के देते हैं. Then stew, it includes the vegetables, salt, then buckwheat का तो buckwheat, then flour, then vegetables, peas, local peas, blah blah करके. So that उससे क्या होता है, उनको इतना description नहीं देना पड़ता. That is the incremental innovation. सुबह देखा था ना हमने आलची किचन में, right? So So the impact of that incremental innovation in the business is it helps the business improve efficiency, right? So it increase the customer satisfaction. So the Alsi Kitchen changed the menu, design of the menu, details of the menu. It satisfies the customer, right? So stay competitive without the drastic overhaul, right? So after creating the new small innovative, they are well aware about the market. The consumers are well aware about the product, right? So this is the incremental innovation. Now come to the radical innovation. Now radical innovation means एकदम से innovative करना, just opposite of the incremental innovation, right? Under this radical innovation, it involves making significant transformative change that disrupt the current market or industry. Incremental में क्या होता था? Smally and steadily they improve their or they edit the innovative things in their product or in their services, right? Now in radical innovation, there is they involve in making significant transformative changes that disrupt the current market or industry, that disrupt the current market of industry. Itna radical changes, right? So under this introduce entirely new service provide karna, right? Or model that fundamentally alter the way customer interacts with the business. For example, अगर मैं पहले इंडियन फूड अपने रेस्टोरेंट में प्रोवाइड कर रही हूँ कस्टमर्स को, now I am providing the Ladakhi local cuisine, Ladakhi local dish, then it is a drastic change from the Indian food to Ladakhi. That is a radical innovation, right? For example, the example is Uber taxi, ठीक है? That disruption the traditional taxi service model, है ना? जहाँ पे हम टैक्सी स्टैंड जाके टैक्सी बुक करते हैं, उनको बहुत इफेक्ट पड़ा. ऑटो रिक्शा पे बहुत इफेक्ट पड़ा. Why? Because Uber we can book through online, right? For उसी तरह से है Airbnb. कल एग्जांपल दिया था सर ने, है ना? Airbnb के अंदर क्या होता है? एयर ब्रेकफास्ट एंड बेड, Airbnb, right? उसमें क्या होता है? Airbnb transformation of the hospitality industry by offering home sharing services. अगर आपके पास घर है, रूम है, आप Airbnb शुरू कर सकते हो. That effect to whom? The hoteliers, right? That is a radical innovation which impact the market and industry. But in the incremental innovation, it does not impact the market and industry. Why? Because it incrementally innovate something. छोटा छोटा करके वो क्या करते हैं, कुछ ना कुछ इनोवेट करते हैं. That's why it does not impact on the what? Market and industry. While on the other hand, when we talk about the radical innovation, it impact the industry and market. For example, Uber निकला, उससे किस पे impact पड़ा? टैक्सी स्टेशन पे. Airbnb निकला, किस पे पड़ा? होटल्स पे, ठीक है? उसी तरह से UPI, GPay वगैरह, ठीक है? बैंक्स, ठीक है? So this is what we call the radical innovation. So come to the modular innovation. Modular. Now under the modular innovation, the level of innovation focus on making change to specific component. Specific component. एक specific component में क्या लाना? Innovation, changes लाना. और model of the service offering while leaving the overall service architect intent. ठीक है? और इसमें क्या होता है? It allow business to innovate without completing overhauling of their services. ये एक चीज में innovate लाना. For example, एप्पल आईफोन ने सिर्फ एक मॉड्यूलर इनोवेशन लाया है कि फॉर एग्जांपल ना कि मतलब इट इज अ टोटली सेफ. there is a security in that particular mobile. So whenever you lost somewhere, you will got it. That is a particular thing they added. अगर आपका मोबाइल चोरी हुआ तो कहीं पर भी हो आपको मिलेगा एक नंबर ट्रैक करने से। हालांकि वो सभी में होता है, बट वी कांट, हम अब प्रैक्टिकली देखा जाए तो वो नहीं होता है, राइट। दैट इज सम मॉड्यूलर इनोवेशन। एक कंपोनेंट में उसने इनोवेशन लाया। फॉर एग्जाम्पल उनका कैमरा इतना ठीक नहीं था, फॉर एग्जाम्पल ना, अगर उसने सिर्फ कैमरा क्वालिटी में अच्छा लाया, they improve the quality of the camera, that is the modular innovation, right। एक स्पेसिफिक कंपोनेंट में उसने क्या लाया है, इनोवेशन लाया हुआ है, ठीक है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल एडिंग न्यू पेमेंट ऑप्शन जैसे कि पेपल है, क्रिप्टो करेंसी है, राइट। सो द एग्जिस्टिंग ई कॉमर्स प्लेटफॉर्म दैट आर एडिशनली, ठीक है। देन हमारा कस्टमर रिलेशनशिप मैनेजमेंट हो गया, देन दिस सिस्टम इनटू द एग्जिस्टिंग सर्विस वर्कफ्लो। तो एक कंपोनेंट में इनोवेशन लाना इज अ मॉड्यूलर इनोवेशन, ठीक है। देन कम टू द बिजनेस मॉडल इनोवेशन। नाउ अंडर द बिजनेस मॉडल इनोवेशन, it involves the creating new ways to deliver value to the customer, new ways to deliver to the customer or consumer, right? So it often changing the way the company generate revenue. They change to generate the revenue. They innovative something to generate the revenue by keeping in the mind the revenue. So distribute the service or interact with customers. So they often changing the way the company generate revenue. How we generate the more revenue by innovate such thing. ठीक है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मैं मेरे पास एक पेन है that are in demand, but if I modify that pen, if I include a pen eraser, और उस पेन में अगर मैं एक पेन इरेजर डालती हूँ, दैट उससे मैं और भी रेवेन्यू जनरेट कर पाऊंगी। दैट इज अ बिजनेस मॉडल इनोवेशन। By keeping in the mind that we have to generate the revenue, we are doing the innovating part because we generate the new revenue, more revenue, ठीक है। So this is the business model innovation. Now for example Netflix, है ना, Netflix transforming from DVD. Why you transform for the DVD? because उन्होंने सोचा कि अगर हम इस तरीके से कुछ निकालें, Netflix that generate more revenue to the company, right। now कहीं पर भी वो नहीं दिखता DVD. Now we can saw the serials or movies through the Netflix, right। Then again the adopt creative cloud, that the food delivery services, right। at the during the past 10 years back, हम क्या करते थे, हमें स्पेसिफिक रेस्टोरेंट में जाना पड़ता था, राइट। सो उससे हम, और अब जब हम एक बिजनेस ने सोचा कि एक मतलब होम डिलीवरी करके होना चाहिए, that creates the more revenue, right। now the many hotels have a online delivery as well as the टेबल डेस्क पे खाने के भी ऑप्शन है और ऑनलाइन डिलीवरी भी है। सो उन्होंने क्या सोचा कि अगर ऑनलाइन डिलीवरी एक बिजनेस मॉडल इनोवेट करेंगे तो उससे और रेवेन्यू जनरेट होगा, राइट। सो दिस इज अबाउट द लेवल ऑफ इनोवेशन। नाउ अंडर द इंक्रीमेंटल इनोवेशन, जैसे कि अगर हम डिस्क्रिप्शन देखा जाए तो दिस अ स्मॉल ग्रेजुअल इंप्रूवमेंट टू एग्जिस्टिंग सर्विसेज और प्रोसेसेस, स्मॉल ग्रेजुअली, ठीक है। सो इन द रेडिकल इनोवेशन इट सिग्निफिकेंटली डिस्ट्रक्टिव चेंजेस दैट क्रिएट न्यू मार्केट that affect the current market and industry, right। So the modular innovation, they're changing the specific component, they change the specific component or part of the service offering. What are the service offering? That specific changes in that, right। Then again they changing the way a business create in the business model innovation. It means changing the way a business create and deliver value to customer. From the day one we study value. Service means value. Value to the customer is how much the value to the customer is important. right? For the business and under the business model innovation, changing the way, innovative way आप business create and deliver the value to customer. एक कस्टमर को वैल्यू प्रोवाइड करने के लिए जब वो चेंज करते हैं, जिससे क्या होता है, रेवेन्यू जनरेट होता है. दैट इज द बिजनेस मॉडल इनोवेशन. So then come to the technology in services. Now when we talk about the technology in services, it means it refers to the use of information system, right? Information system को use करना, digital tools को use करना, automation, emerging technologies to improve, deliver or create new service offering. That is a technology in services. Services में technology का use करना, right? For example, benefits क्या है इसका? Technology. Why the technology in services is important? Because it enhance customer experience, right? For example, faster, more personalized service improve customer satisfaction. So by providing the technology in services, it enhance the customer experience. It understand the customer experience and it increase the customer. It leads to the customer satisfaction, right? So next benefit is it increase the operational efficiency. Now under this, automation reduce errors, speeds up process. This all the operational efficiency. So technology in service, another benefit is it increase the operational efficiency. Then scalability. Now cloud services like cloud service हो गया, AI हो गया, artificial intelligence हो गया, allow business to scale quickly without heavy investment. That is a scalability. Then the new revenue stream. The another benefit of technology in services is new revenue stream. So under this, technology create opportunity for the new business, right? टेक्नोलॉजी क्या करते हैं, अपॉर्चुनिटी क्रिएट करते हैं बिजनेस मॉडल के लिए, जैसे कि सब्सक्रिप्शन सर्विस को सब्सक्राइब करना, देन बेटर डिसीजन मेकिंग, then it when there is a technology in the services, we have the better more and more better decision making are there. So data analysis provide insights for improving service strategy. So we get the data and analytics through the technology. We know when we want to know about a company, we just text it in the Google. We know all the details in the technology, right? That is a data provided. Then come to the future trend in technology and services. Future changes in technology and services. What are the future trend in the technology and services? Obviously, AI, as we all know, artificial intelligence, that will become more predictive and autonomous. Now, in the coming future, AI will do all the things, right? For example, in the research work, when we collect the data, we use the SPSS or AMOS or PLSM वगैरह यूज करते हैं. Nowadays, जो भी डाटा है वो आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस क्विकली दे देते हैं एनालाइज करके. That is artificial intelligence, the future trend of technology in services, right? So एक टाइम ऐसा भी आएगा कि AI सब कुछ कर देंगे. Then 5G technology will enable faster real time services, है ना? 5G कितना स्पीड होगा? That is a future trend in technology, right? Then the voice assistant will grow in use of customer services. For example, Alexa, Siri use करते हो ना, hey Siri call blah blah, hey Siri call blah blah, और वो एकदम से गाड़ी में ड्राइव करते हुए hey Siri call mama, hey Siri call papa, Siri कर देता है काम. जो हमारा फिंगर करते थे ऐसे करके स्क्रॉल करके पापा कहाँ लिखा है ढूंढो, वो Siri कर देता है. Alexa close the window, Alexa dim the light. That is a voice assistant. That means एक voice से होता है. That is a future trend in technology services, right? Then augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality. That means virtual reality. That also transform the कस्टमर एक्सपीरियंस, जैसे कि स्पेशली रिटेल में हो गया, रियल स्टेट में हो गया, टूरिज्म में हो गया, इसमें क्या होता है, इन सब के यूज होते हैं. देन sustainability technology, that means that will integrate into service to support greener practices, जैसे कि एनर्जी सेविंग सिस्टम है. Sustainable technology. Now the best example of sustainable technology in Ladakh is solar rooftop nowadays. है ना. पहले हम क्या करते थे, लाइट नहीं आते थे, वेट करते थे, क्या बोलते हैं, लाइट फीस पे करते थे. नाउ only the sunlight provide the electricity. Sunlight provide the electricity. That is sustainable technology. पानी गर्म करने वाला जो सोलर वो है, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, सोलर हीटर. आई थिंक एवरीवन हैज. किसके घर में नहीं है, मेरा लापा चला, किसके घर में नहीं है, अच्छा किसी घर में नहीं है, सबके घर में है. that is a sustainable technology, that is a future trend in technology, है ना. that save the electricity power. The hot water generate through the where, sunlight. there is a big होता था ना वो बड़ा वाला जिसमें हम प्रेशर भी रख सकते हैं, that cook the food also through the sunlight. That is a sustainable technology. Now in the future trend in technology services कैसे provide होगा, sustainable technology होगा. That is again the sustainability is a, हमने पढ़ा था ना SDG, Sustainable Development Goals. Then come to the entrepreneurial service firm. Now entrepreneurial service firm means the firm which sell the expertise, the firm which sell the time, the firm, the industry or firm which sell the skills in intellectual work, that is a services. For example, we hire the engineer, they provide services. We hire the architect, they provide the services, that is an entrepreneurial service firm. We hire the interior designer, right? They give their time and we get the services. We get the interior designer of our house. That is the entrepreneurial service firm. So the entrepreneurial service firm help the human capital, not the physical goods. That help the human capital, right? एक physical goods को वो assess नहीं करता है, एक human capital को assess करता है कि what kind of service they need, right? Then this entrepreneurial service firm offer the intangible product or service to the customer, right? The services they provide we can't touch it, है ना. हम एक ने हमें इंटीरियर डिजाइनर करके दिया, हम उसको टच कर पाएंगे, नहीं कर पाएंगे, है ना. एक ने हमें एक टाइम दिया, मैंने अभी लेक्चर डिलीवर किया, आपको कुछ ना कुछ समझ आया, वी कांट टच दैट सर्विस ना. I give my time, I give my knowledge, but it can't be touched, right? So like जैसे कि कंसल्टेंट हो गया, इंजीनियर्स जैसा, हेल्थ केयर हो गया, they provide the medicine and we are going to fit. That is service they provide. Education, like I'm delivering the lecture to you, you get the knowledge, that is education, that is entrepreneurial service firm. And entertainment, Netflix में हम क्या करते हैं, Netflix के लिए हम पे करते हैं, they provide the entertainment, that is a service firm. समझ आ गया? Okay, now these are the some services firm. Have you heard about the Bharat P? सुना है? Have you heard about the Bharat P? Is it a digital payment? Yes. And business service platform. It is in India, which Bharat P is a digital payment and business service platform in India. ठीक है, इसमें क्या होता है? It offers service for both merchant and consumer. It provides these services to both merchant as well as consumer. So including the digital payment हो गया, by UPI, अदर मेथड, क्रेडिट के थ्रू क्रेडिट कार्ड बिल्स पेमेंट हो गया, यूटिलिटी बिल पेमेंट हो गया, पर्सनल लोन कार्ड्स, ठीक है. सो भारत पे ऑल्सो ऑफर्स वैल्यू एडेड सर्विस ऑल्सो, ठीक है. सो सच एज lending and other financial services. So such kind of services are provided by whom? Bharat P. So it is an Indian company, right? So here, so Bharat P services digital payment. Bharat P facility digital payment for merchants through the QR code. QR code के थ्रू हम जो स्कैन करते हैं, ठीक है, allowing them to accept the UPI payment, that is through the Bharat P, right? Then the business services, they also provide the B2B business to business, by lending and other value added service to the merchant, right? Then they also provide the loyalty program, so such as the Bharat Pay Equate, Payback India, multi-brand loyalty program. Such kind of services are also provided by the Bharat Pay. And beside this, Bharat Pay provide the other services also, ठीक है. Then आ गया TCS. What do you mean by TCS? Tata Consultancy Firm. It's also an entrepreneurial service firm. These are the example of entrepreneurial service firm. ठीक है, ये जो entrepreneurial service firm था ना, like consulting हो गया, healthcare, education, entertainment हो गया. So these are the, although there are so many entrepreneurial service firm, but these are the few. So TCS basically is a multinational information technology. ठीक है, ये एक आईटी सर्विस प्रोवाइड करते हैं, जिसमें इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ द टाटा ग्रुप, टाटा कंसल्टेंसी सर्विस. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज known for its IT service. TCS is known for its IT service. So कंसल्टेंसी हो गया, बिजनेस सॉल्यूशन हो गया, ठीक है. सो इट लीडिंग प्लेयर्स इन द ग्लोबल IT लैंडस्केप. IT का इसमें बहुत वो है. Then it provide the innovation focus, strategic alliance, और बहुत कुछ provide करते हैं. And the next, Airtel and Jio. You all know, how many of you are using the Airtel? How many of you are using Jio? Right? How many of you are using our BSNL? Cha. So Airtel provide what? Service. It is a service firm. Jio is service firm, right? So it provides the service. When you through the Airtel, we Airtel data के थ्रू हम कुछ सर्च करते हैं, हमें कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलता है. They provide the service, right? अगर अब जियो के थ्रू हम किसी को कॉल करते हैं, हमने कॉल किया, हमें पता लगा कि हाँ, he or she is fine and blah blah blah. That provide the service. That is a service firm, right? So Airtel and Jio are the two major telecom provider in the India. इंडिया में एयरटेल और जियो जो है वो क्या है, एक मेजर टेलीकॉम सर्विसेज है, राइट? सो इट ऑफर द प्रीपेड एंड postpaid services, mobile SIM, through which the consumer can attend. Jio is known for its data plan. Nowadays Airtel is known for its क्या बोलते हैं, कनेक्टिविटी. आजकल जियो का कनेक्टिविटी जो आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दी हिमालयन रीजन, हाँ, लद्दाख. आजकल हिमालयन एरियाज में कई जगह पे जियो का सर्विस अच्छा नहीं है. सो कल हमने पढ़ा था ना, स्विचिंग द कस्टमर्स, किसमें पढ़ा था हमने? पोर्टस 5 में पढ़ा था ना, बाहर के अंदर. तो उसमें क्या उसमें मैंने एग्जांपल किसका दिया था? एयरटेल. नाउ इन लद्दाख मोस्ट ऑफ द कंज्यूमर स्विच टू द एयरटेल from Jio. Why? Because of its poor connectivity की वजह से. Although the services they provide are low rate, but the connectivity not good. That's why the consumers shift to places, जहाँ पर इसका क्या है, ठीक है. So these are all about the service this we will conclude our, one more slide. Future of entrepreneurial service firm. अब फ्यूचर में एंटरप्रेन्योरल सर्विस फर्म डिजिटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, we all shift to the digitization. Solar power, I've given the example, the solar heater, right, such kind of will be there in the market. जो सब कुछ AI करता है, right, cleaning service हो सकता है, fit, such kind of things are also available in the market nowadays. Okay, any question? समझ आ गया सबको? Okay.